कमिटमेंट ये क्या होती है? कमिटमेंट देना लोग पसंद ही नहीं करते। Obsession with body figures, beauty standards are taking new heights. People are deliberately destroying their ethics, principles, and emotions. Don't get attached is the slogan for modern romanticism. Um, Today, casual relationships are getting normalized in tier 1 and tier 2 cities, particularly. Endless means of achieving connections are there through different type of apps such as Tinder, Bumble, Hinge, or other means. Market is full of these type of apps. Romance is selling like a commodity. Commodification of emotional intimacy is taking new heights, and these things are making significant impact on our decision making. Whereas you have lot of options available, people firstly start with casual hookup situationships and one night stand. So what is actually gamified romance? Gamified romance means romance has become like a game, such as Tinder, Hinge, or Bumble, where you get many options, many choices to just swipe. If you like someone's profile, you can just tap and check their bio and all the other photographs, etc. And if you don't, you can just swipe and move on to the next one. And this is like a game, okay? And there are many other algorithms as well where you get matches, where you get likes, where you get some sort of rewards as well. So this is actually gamified romance, where romance has become a game, a sort of game. This create a sort of excitement in the people to stay connected with these type of apps. There was a sociologist, Euman, I don't know what to pronounce it, but it's woman, who gave a liquid love theory for the modern romanticism. Okay, so according to this theory, solid, that is something stable, that is something permanent, ठीक है, that is hard to break. But today's relationship are sort of liquid love or liquid romance. वहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? What is the property of a liquid? So लिक्विड जिसमें कुछ भी चीज़ें डिसॉल्व हो सकती हैं, लिक्विड दैट कैन take the shape of any vessel in which you put it into. Okay, good love जिसमें होता है कि people want to live in present moment. They are not uh, they are not concerned for the future, they are not concerned for the other things. Some sort of flexible and fluid romance or love, where people just meet each other with a consumeristic mindset, okay, with instability and temporariness, जहाँ पर कि there is no commitment, and this connection is a sort of superficial connections, okay, rather than a deep कनेक्शन, ठीक है। और अगर मुझे इसको समराइज करके कहना है तो आई वुड से एक्सपेरिमेंट ओवर परमानेंस। कोई भी परमानेंट वन नहीं चाहेगा, एवरीवन जस्ट वांट टू have an experiment before getting into any relationship sort of thing. So okay, so people are seeking instant validation, um, instant self validation through these type of apps. Maybe they are finding a lot of matches or likes on these type of apps that boost their self confidence for a while, but this is more of a threat rather than any sort of self validation, because this shows how an individual perceives other um, people, but it also shows how you present yourself. because this is identity crisis. So hookup cultures and non-traditional means of sexual relationships. So आज हो क्या रहा है? हुकअप कल्चर द पीपल हु डोंट अंडरस्टैंड लाइक बेसिकली पता होगा कि हुकअप कल्चर क्या होता है. लाइक टू टेल कि हुकअप कल्चर मीन लाइक अ सेट ऑफ नॉर्म्स इन विच casual sex or intercourse with no expectation of long term or emotional intimacy is so common really due to this type of hookup culture. So what really happening is due to this type of culture, friendships are declining. People want emotional and physical support through these type of temporary means. They don't want any sort of real connections where they have a real friendship or any sort of real understanding between two type people. People are entering in this sort of things with some definite needs and um, mindset. People are really struggling to find a compatible partner or a compatible friend. Your bio is deciding your real coolness. Obsession with beauty, body figures are taking new heights. Superficial landscape of relationship infatuations are rising high. People are deliberately destroying their ethics, principles, or emotions. Uh, com- commitment ये क्या होता है? Don't get attached is the slogan of modern romanticism. What are the psychological impact of this romanticism? So मेन थिंग इज यू ऑल ऑफ यू नो दी कि ये सारी टाइप की चीज़ें मार्केट में हो रही हैं. पीपल आर breaking the real connections. They just want to have some sort of sexual or definite mean of मतलब like if they want to have some sort of connection with मतलब दो अपोजिट जेंडर्स के बीच में सम सॉर्ट ऑफ कनेक्शन हो रहा है तो मोस्टली इन डेटिंग एप्स के थ्रू वो कुछ डेफिनेट नीड्स को माइंड में रखते हुए हो रहा है. ओके सो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है वो यही है कि इनके साइकोलॉजिकल इम्पैक्ट्स क्या हो रहे हैं है ना. ये सारे जो लूप होल्स हो रखे हैं. सो पहली चीज़ है लोनलीनेस. सबसे ज़्यादा जो अभी राइजिंग थिंग है in people, that is loneliness. Despite these endless means of getting connected with a lot of people out there, people are feeling lonely. They don't have friends, they don't have real connection, they don't have someone जिससे वो बात कर सके. They don't have someone जो उनको real time advice दे सके. This is really missing. Okay, because these culture are making people more single, and these apps to want these apps want you to be single, because that's why they are giving you so much choices कि तुम्हारा माइंड एकदम फक्ड अप हो जाए चॉइसेस से कि तुमको समझ ही नहीं आएगा कि एक्चुअली में किसको चॉइस करना है किसको नहीं करना है. बिकॉज people are not getting into real conversations, people are not getting into real sort of connections that used to be there. Okay, another thing is decision fatigue. So there are a lot of options available. If one doesn't work, there are another one. If you don't like someone's profile, you don't like someone's photo or bio, maybe you can just move on to another one. If you are going to another city for any visit or something else, you can have another person for your next city date or hookup. Okay, these apps has ruined the real friendships, literally. मतलब like लोग फ्रेंडशिप करना ही नहीं चाहते. People just want to have casual hookups, casual relationships, situationships, or any other mean, but they don't want to have that friendship, that bonding, that realization. People are just idealizing this is the perfect figure, this is the perfect way, this is what I want from a girl, this is what I want from a man in my relationship, in my casual relationship, maybe in my uh, marriage, maybe. People are taking validation. People are people just want to take validation from the opposite gender uh, through likes, through matchings. Um, so this has a huge impact on their psychology. Ki if you don't get that validation, it really impact their life. Hybridization of local and global culture. So India में basically हो क्या रहा है कि we are just accepting the things. This is happening globally, right? These things are happening globally. So we are consuming the um, global thing, and we are just making them according to our own needs and choices. Most of the people who use this type of dating apps or such sort of things, they just want to explore their adulthood, their young age, or in what ways they are in. They just want to explore their sexuality, they just want to explore their life, and they don't want to commit, they don't want to have that serious relationship because they don't want to be the responsible one for that person, they don't want to take the responsibility. So if they are not taking the responsibility, they are not committing, they will not marry. Okay, they will marry with the choice of their parents, with the choice of their family. They are just enjoying the uh, this hookup culture. They are using it for in a fun way, to just explore, to fill their needs, but they are not gonna commit with anyone because of the uh, our Indian culture, and because they have just वो वाली सारी चीज़ें ले ली हैं जो उनको लाइक सोकअप करना है, और बाकी सारे उन्होंने अपने अकॉर्डिंग सारे मोल्ड कर लिया. ओके, घोस्टिंग पीपल. सो पीपल हु डोंट अंडरस्टैंड घोस्टिंग, आई वांट टू टेल कि घोस्टिंग मीन्स कोई संबंध, कोई भी जो सडनली अपने लाइक यू आर गेटिंग इन अ कन्वर्सेशन विद एनी पर्सन एंड वो सडनली आपसे कन्वर्सेशन करना बंद कर देता है, दैट इज रियली घोस्टिंग. ओके, so many of the people out there experience ghosting in through these type of apps. Okay, and this really impact their mental uh, stability, because they never get to understand ki hua kya, what was wrong, was I the reason for this thing, or thing become clueless for them to understand. किसी का भी पहली बार दिल टूटता है, जब पहली बार किसी का हार्ट ब्रेक होता है तो इट हर्ट्स अ लॉट. ओके, बट व्हेन दे बिकम यूज्ड टू इट, इट हर्ट्स वेरी लेस. ओके, ठीक है. तो दिस इज लाइक दिस इज द सेम पाथ कि व्हेन समवन, जब वो इसी माइंडसेट से जा रहे हैं कि उनको कहीं भी अपने इमोशंस इन्वेस्ट नहीं करने हैं, वो कहीं भी इमोशनली कहीं किसी से अटैच नहीं हो पा रहे हैं, they become some sort of emotionless, I would say. Okay, so this mentality get fit into their subconscious mind. It gradually shifts their emotion underneath their skin. So it takes so much time to get onto the surface when it comes to real and actual um, connections. So yeah, hope you liked the video, and let me know what you think about it. Let's meet in another video.